here today. I'm going to read off their names and I'm going to read off the rules. All right, we have David Babcock. Please raise your hands when I call your name. Dakota Pethridge. Kenneth Begley.
Raise your hand.
Gary Burgess. I have Tori Buck Edwards. AJ Troms. Mike Larson.
Woo! Good Mike! Good Mike!
And returning two-time champion, Bill Keiss.
All right.
Winner today, which is the fastest to consume a large pizza, receives a $25 gift card to Ciccino's, a trophy, and a t-shirt. So I'm just going to go over the rules before we get started. The Patriot Pizza Eating Contest is a contest of speed, not quantity. Each contestant will be given a whole cheese pizza, which is 16 inches and weighs roughly 2 pounds, 12 ounces. That's 2 3/4 pounds. And you have to, the first person to consume the fastest and has to consume as fast as they can is the winner. There will be a contest starter who will give you the cue to start the race, which is me. You may use any technique to consume the pizza the fastest way you can. Fold it, double it up, slice on top of slice, whatever. Water is provided and is the only drink allowed during the eating competition. You have 2 bottles in front of you. If you need some more, we have some more extra bottles behind you over here. Most important rule is regurgitation of pizza means you are disqualified. That means once it goes down and it comes up, it doesn't go back down. Okay, so unfortunately you are disqualified. The winner will be the first to completely finish all of the pizza. That means crust 2. And I will verify that by looking down your throat and in your mouth. Upon finishing, the contestant will throw his or her hands up with mouth open, displaying an open, empty mouth to the judge. You are done when the last bite goes down. If it's too close to call, the winner will be determined by the judge. All right? Those are the rules. Last year's winner, Bill Keiss, did it in 5 minutes, 11 seconds, and that's a record.
Woo!
He approached me yesterday and he said he's going to try to do it under 5 minutes, guys. We got to cheer him on if we can do it. But we have some new contestants here this year that may beat him. So, gentlemen, open your boxes. Is my timer ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go, 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 go. Go, go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Doing awesome, doing awesome. Way to go. Mike. You got this. You got this.
Got some different techniques here. Got doubled up over here and over here. Got a single slice over here. This gentleman's eating it from the crust first.
Way to go.
One slice gone here. Slice and a half gone here. One minute has gone by. 1 minute has gone by. Right about now, may still be a little hungry, but those jaws have got to be getting tired.
Mike, doing awesome. Doing awesome. Awesome.
2.5 slices down here. Three slices down. Two minutes have gone by.
Doing awesome.
Four and a half slices down here. 3 minutes. 5 slices down here.
We got this, dude. We got this. You got it. You're almost there. Come on, you got it. You got it, Michael. You got it. Mouth. You got it. Keep mouth. You got it. Keep mouth. You're doing awesome. You're awesome.
5.5 slices are down here.
Down here, 5.5. You're talking about it. He's talking about you. You got
6
it.
slices down over here.
You got it, Michael. Come on, you got it. Look at you go. You are awesome. You are awesome. Proud of you. You got it.
4 minutes. 4-minute mark.
Got it. You are winning. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're doing it. You got it. Be careful. You got it. You got it, buddy. You got it. You're almost there. Way to go, Mike. Way to go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, way to go. Way to go. You got it, Mike. You got it. You got it.
1.5 slices to go here on the end.
Tough competition. You are killing it. You got it. You got it. You won this. You got it. You're doing good. Everybody's doing good. He's watching you. Still got another piece. All right, Michael, last piece. You got it, buddy. You got it. Last piece. You got it. You got it.
5-minute mark. 5-minute mark.
You got it. Down you go. Down you go. You got it. You're pushing through. You're pushing through. Pushing through.
It's a close
Hands are
race
going
before
up.
the gentleman on the end here
Hands are going up.
and the gentleman in red over here.
Hands are going up.
Both on their last
You got it.
slices.
You got it, Michael. You got it, Michael. You got it, Michael. You got it. You got it.
Let's cheer these guys on, people.
Mike.
5.5 minutes gone by. 5.5 minutes.
Mike's got it. Mike's got it. Mike's got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it, Michael. Come on, buddy. Move out of the way. You got it. You got it. You got it. Mike's got it. Mike's got it. Move out of the way, buddy. Mike's got it. Mike's got it. Wow.
Bill won by a fraction of 2 seconds.
Good job, Michael. Good job. Way to go.
That was the closest call that we've ever had. Good job, gentlemen. Good
Way
job.
to go. Wow.
5 minutes, 58